morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Connecticut River at Northampton. When? From Thursday evening to early Saturday morning.
Come on, camera, wake up.
Impacts at 114.0 feet. Flooding affects the Oxbow in Northampton, including riverside homes on Island Road. Flooding also spreads across parts of Hadley. In Hatfield, backwater from the Connecticut River will push the Mill River over its banks, flooding parts of Valley Street and surrounding areas. Additional details at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. The stage was 107.1 feet. Bankful stage is 112.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow evening to a crest of 113.8 feet Friday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Friday evening. Flood stage is 112.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
Alright. I don't know if there were any more issues. I only got like one notification. Okay.